welcome to my channel. So what I have right here is some beef neck bones that your boy about to put together. You know what I'm talking about? So what I want to do right now, I'm gonna go ahead and place these neck bones on my little oven cooker. That's my oven letting me know it's ready. Boom. So I'm placing each neck bone here. I had to get a couple packs of these, you know what I mean? It don't really have that much meat on this thing. But it's gonna all add up to one big piece of meat. So what I did last night, I rinsed them real good and I let them soak in lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and water overnight in the refrigerator. So that's what I did right there. Okay, so boom. Alright, so we got that placed in there and move this to the side. So what I'm fixing to do now, okay, put my little mixture in there. Let me see. Let me get a cool angle. Boom. So I have my oven on 350. I'm just gonna let it do its thing on 350. So this 1/3 cup of some apple juice. Boom. 1/3 cup of apple juice. And I say at least 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Boom. Bam. So we got that out the way. So now we fix to get to the seasoning. So what I have right here, I have garlic powder, garlic sauce. You know what I mean? Garlic it up real good. Oh, alright. I have right here, I have some rosemary. So I'm just gonna tap a couple right here, boom, on the table. Sweep these bad boys up, sprinkle them in there. You know what I mean? Give it a nice sprinkle. Okay, that's that on the rosemary. Now we have some basil leaf. Basil. Alright. Hit it with the good herbs right there. You know what I mean? It's like good soul food, so you want to make sure you herb it up real good. And then we're gonna really hit it with some seasoning. Alright, so some thyme leaf. Okay, so that's it on the thyme. So we're gonna season it with my blackened seasoning. Give it a nice seasoning. Whoa. It's gonna be fire. Alright. I say that's about it on that blackened seasoning. So we're just gonna rub everything in, you know what I mean, with our hands. Make sure every piece of meat get a nice coat of this seasoning and the herbs. Just like that there. You know what I mean? You know, I had to bring some type of soul foods, you know what I mean, for my family and friends, you hear me? I told y'all I was gonna do a little soul food joint. So this video will be out today, right along with another video. So I'm gonna just get 2 in 1 out the way. You know what I'm talking about? Let y'all know I'm doing my thizzle, I'm working like I'm supposed to. And I'm gonna keep on bringing flavor to my family and friends. You hear me? Boom. So everything mixed in the way I want it. So now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of my lime juice. Okay, I have my lime juice right here. Boom. You know what I mean? This way. Give it a couple squirts. You know what I'm talking about? Like that there. Get nice little squirts. Boom. There we go right there with the lime juice. And that's how we looking. Your boy, if it's to get the cooking, you know what I'm talking about? So go in the oven and do its thizzle. So what I'm finna do now is go ahead and put a couple cups of water in here. Okay, so that got my water right there. So what I'm finna do now, I'm gonna put a little more water in the cup. I'm gonna grab a little spoon. Boom, like that there. Grab a little spoon. Hold on. Let me get over here. I'm doing this by myself right now. So I'm gonna grab me some cornstarch. Boom. They say hit dice. Once I grab this cornstarch, I'm gonna go ahead and grab me a spoon of this cornstarch right here. You know, I have me a plastic spoon right here. And I'm gonna put, boom, like that much in the water. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna stir it around. Stir it around, mix it up. And this water right here, it's like that there. So once the little water, the little juice that I put in there, once my neck bones make its little juice and its flavor, all this gonna come together. And I want to thicken it up some, you know what I mean? So it can have a nice little gravy to it. So I'm just still mixing it, you know what I mean? Give it a nice mix. Because you don't want no chunks or nothing like that. You know, you don't want to have to fight with the chunks. So mix this bad boy up. Just like that there. Alright, so when you're satisfied with the mix, you just pour this bad boy in there. You know what I mean? Like that there. Just pour it all over. You know what I mean? Now look at that. Boom. The cornstarch dissolved with the water. You know what I mean? Mixed all in with the water. Boom. So your gravy. So I say that's gonna make a cool little, it's gonna, once them juices start flowing out them neck bones and come with that right there, it's gonna come together. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and make another little cup of water and mix a little more cornstarch in there. Then we're gonna throw this bad boy in the oven for about 2.5, 3 hours. And I'll be back. Okay, so here we go right here. So what I did, every time I do my cornstarch and mix it with the water, I make sure I use cold water. No warm water, just straight cold water. You know what I mean? So this how we looking right here. I did another little cup of cornstarch mixed with the water, another little tablespoon full of cornstarch, and this how we looking. Boom. So if it do now, if it go ahead and throw this in the oven, I don't want to leave nothing out. If it throw this in the oven, let this bad boy come together like cheddar, and I'll be back. Here we go right here. It's a good 2 hours. Them good neck bones right there. So what I want to do, I want to thicken this juice up a little more. You know what I mean? Make this juice a little thicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a nice sized cup of water. Put some cornstarch in there, stir it up, and then I'm gonna pour it in this and give it like another 45 minutes in the oven, and I'll be back. So here we go right here. Everything said and done. It took the neck bones 3.5 hours. Got that good gravy on there. That white rice at the bottom, my Jiffy Cornbread. And that's them good neck bones right there. Them beef neck bones. Your boy over here working, making it happen. And it's good love in my kitchen. You hear me? I'm making it happen right here in my kitchen. Can't stop, won't stop. All gas, no brakes. Doing my thizzle. So that's how we looking right there. You know what I mean? And them neck bones is extra tender. Everything came out just right. It came together like cheddar. You hear me? Yes, sir. So these videos will be out tonight. I want to share with family and friends. Let y'all know what I have going on. Doing my thizzle right here in my kitchen. With a whole lot of love. You hear me? I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.